Welcome back to Grain-Free Insights. Lee here. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying this so far. I know I am. I love coming up with ideas and recipes, and I always feel the urge to share it with people. So hopefully this is helping both of us equally well. Today, I'm going to share the recipe for what I think is the world's best ketchup. A lot of us try to eliminate processed foods and sugars from our diet as well as grains. Maybe you're one of those people. Maybe you're not. Maybe you love store-bought ketchup and you don't care about the sugar that's in it or any refined foods or any refined ingredients or any high fructose corn syrup they might use, and that's fine. That's absolutely up to you. However, stick around because this recipe is so good. You're probably going to want to use it in everything instead of the ketchup that you've been using so far. There's a lot of very complicated recipes for ketchup out there. This one is exceptionally simple. It only has honey, cloves, tomato sauce, tomato paste, vinegar, and the best ingredient of all, dry red wine. Now, this is cooked in a slow cooker, and as long as you're cooking on the medium or high setting, you're going to be killing off the alcohol in the wine, yet retaining the flavor. So feel free to use this liberally, absolutely anywhere, including recipes that you would use ketchup. It yields a lot. This is about 3/4 or more of a quart of ketchup that you'll get. It's super easy, super fast, takes 2 minutes to assemble. 8 hours later, it's done. You chill it and it's good to go. You can also serve it warm. It's very good that way. If you have any questions, let me know. You're going to see that the recipe calls for a pinch of cloves. Now, you probably know this. A pinch just means dipping into the jar, taking a pinch of spices between your thumb and forefinger and putting it in the recipe. But if you're more exacting, did you know that these exist? This is a measuring spoon set that has a pinch, a smidge, and a dash. If you Google it or if you go to Amazon and you just search for measuring spoon set, pinch, smidge, dash, you're going to come up with a number of options. There's even one just for a pinch that you can buy by itself, and it's not expensive at all. I want to say it's around $4. So that's available in case you would like to have that in your kitchen. I've really enjoyed having it in mine. Thank you for being here. Let me know how you feel about the recipe. Let me know about any ketchup recipes you've made that you'd like to share. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks so much for being here. Take care.